What's going on, guys? This is Danny from Slow Restoration, and again we're in the garage working on Project LS Xtreme. It was a brutal night last night as far as temperatures go. It was actually, I believe, the real temperature dipped below zero, so it was in the negative numbers, and the wheel was, I don't know, negative 14, negative 20, who knows. At that point, it doesn't really matter. It's cold. So we weren't able to get an early start at all. Obviously, if it looks a little cloudy in here, it's because my heater here actually just blew out a big cloud of smoke. I think maybe the fuel is a little gelled in it. I'm not real sure, but we got it up and going again, and we did get some more packages in, so let's get them open, see what we got. Okay, well, this first one is not for the shop, but we'll show you what we got anyway. I don't know if anyone's ever had this stuff, but it is popcorn crack. We normally get this at, I believe, Costco, but it's seasonable, something like that. And my wife actually found it on Amazon, so we ordered that in. So we'll take that inside. That's not for out here. Let me get the rest of these cut open, and then we'll just kind of go through and see what we got. All right, the first one we got here is from Current Performance Wiring again. Now, I know what that is. That should be our computer coming back from having the vats removed. Had it packed up nicely. Yep. We'll get that cleaned up a little bit. You will see that it kind of sits up on top of the fender well, so we'll clean that up a little bit. I'm not sure exactly what we'll do, but that should be good for startup now. So when we plug this in, everything's removed, and it's going to keep it from starting. It's still going to need a tune later on, but we'll address that when we get to it. Get that one out of the way. This is an Amazon package. I'm not sure what it's going to be yet. It's a big box with okay, 2 items. Here's a fitting, a fuel system fitting. And here is our fuel filter that we're going to use. This is a C5 Corvette fuel filter, what everyone seems to use on doing LS swap. So this has got an in, 3/8 in, a return 5/16 out back to the tank, and one out goes to the fuel injection rail. And this actually is a fuel filter. It also has the built-in fuel pressure regulator. That's why it's got an in and an out on the back side. So with that, we can make our if we come over here real fast, back side here, here's our fuel rail feed, and we have one line in. There is no return on this Vortec style injection system. Some of them do. I think maybe the flex fuels do. This one is not flex fuel, and it does not have a return on here, so it just has a feed up. So that filter will work out good for us with that. And here's one of the fuel fittings that will snap onto the end, make that work. And this should be a couple more. Yeah, this is the fitting we need. It snaps into the back of this filter. That pops in and then adapts it down to a 6AN line. This goes on one. It's either a 3/8 or a 5/16 it goes on, and adapts again to a 6AN. And all right, so this is the 3/8, the 6AN. This should be the 5/16 6AN. So we have those. I think we are still waiting on one other fitting, I believe, but we'll have to check. Maybe I misordered it, but we have those for now. We'll need a couple more. As you can see, I kind of just stopped on my fuel system until I got that stuff in, and we'll definitely get back on that and get it sorted out. I'm not sure if we're going to leave those steel lines or change them. We may do something a little bit different with this new fuel filter. Just haven't quite decided yet. Zebra popcorn, guys. If you had this stuff, you know what I'm talking about. This stuff is, once you crack the bag, it's hard to stop eating it. It's like crack for sure. So definitely gotta try it. I don't know if you can see that smoke or not clouding around. I just had to shut the heater down again. It just blew out a big old cloud of smoke again. So I'm not sure what's going on with it. It's so cold like before, it doesn't even register the temperature. So I don't know, we just gotta keep an eye on it. It really stinks, like literally stinks. So close to 500 subscribers, guys. Thanks everyone for their support. So I think we're gonna do, at 500, we're gonna do a giveaway. I think we're gonna give away a t-shirt. So we'll figure out how we're gonna do that, but we're so close, we gotta do something. One other thing I want to talk about, guys, is actually subscribers have been coming in pretty fast, and I plan on doing something at about the 500 mark, and we actually just hit 500. I didn't really get a chance to prepare for it even. They came in so quick, so I really appreciate that. But we are going to do a t-shirt giveaway. We have Defining Fast Motorsports t-shirts, and I'll put a picture of that in there and let you know the details of that as soon as we figure it out. As you can see, it's too cold outside. It is supposed to warm up the next couple of days, so we'll get back out in the garage and get as much as we can, try and catch back up. But as of right now, it's just my heater's actually malfunctioning just because it is so cold. It's just not going to be worth trying to heat and get stuff done out there right now when in the next couple of days it is supposed to heat up. So no big deal. We got some stuff to do. Along with that t-shirt giveaway, here is our t-shirts. See if I can get out of the picture. So it's Defining Fast Motorsports, and on the back it also has the YouTube stuff on there, slow restoration. And we have, these are actually, I don't know if you can tell, they're like a green, like a military green, of course with the gold lettering. And we also have this version. It's the same information. It's got a different logo up top, but these are gray shirts, and of course it's the green printing. We have t-shirts, long sleeves, and some hoodies. We are a little bit limited in sizing right now, but I'll put pricing down in the description. So if you are interested, let me know. You can DM me on Instagram. We do have Instagram. It is slow_restoration on Instagram, and YouTube is the same thing. So obviously if you're watching this, you know the YouTube channel. But for the 500 subscribers we've reached now, we are going to do a t-shirt giveaway. Like I said, we are a little bit limited in sizing, but I think we're going to do a contest, a way of doing it on Instagram. It's probably going to be the best way. But follow me on Instagram, and we'll have all the details on there, and whoever wins will get you out a t-shirt. I think that's going to do it for us today. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good day.